Kuswibe kami. Kuswibe pala ito. Hindi daw Happy Valley, kundi Kuswibe. Then, dinala ko ng sinisiling doon sa Squeaky Club. So, this is the opposite side of the building. Eating noodles. Sarap ng noodles. Gusto ko yung simple noodle lang. Hindi ko yung mga noodle na medyo chewy, so much chewy. This one is soft noodle. Yeah. Kuya Ban, you like this one? Yeah. Nandito ako sa Kuswibe Restaurant. Yeah.